Ready, start. Honorable Speaker, sir, for promoting women-led development, the budget carries an allocation of more than rupees 3 lakh crore for schemes benefiting women and girls. Full stop. This signals our government's commitment for enhancing women's role in economic development. Full stop. For improving the socio-economic condition of tribal communities, we will launch the Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Unnat Gram Abhiyan by adopting saturation coverage for tribal families in tribal majority villages and aspirational districts. Full stop. This will cover 63,000 villages benefiting 5 crore tribal people. Full stop. More than 100 branches of India Post Payment Bank will be set up in the northeast region to expand the banking services. Full stop. This year I have made a provision of rupees 3 lakh crore for rural development, including rural infrastructure. Full stop. This budget provides special attention to MSMEs and manufacturing, particularly labor intensive manufacturing. Full stop. We have formulated a package covering financing, regulatory changes, and technology support for MSMEs to help them grow and also compete globally as mentioned in the interim budget. Full stop. I am happy to announce the following specific measures. Full stop. Para for facilitating term loans to MSMEs for purchase of machinery and equipment without collateral or third party guarantee. A credit guarantee scheme will be introduced. Full stop. The scheme will operate on pooling of credit risks of such MSMEs. Full stop. A separately constituted self-financing guarantee fund will provide to each applicant guarantee cover up to rupees 100 crore, while the loan amount may be larger. Full stop. The borrower will have to provide an upfront guarantee fee and an annual guarantee fee on the reducing loan balance. Full stop. Public sector banks will build their in-house capability to assess MSMEs for credit instead of relying on external assessment. Full stop. They will also take a lead in developing or getting developed a new credit assessment model based on the scoring of digital footprints of MSMEs in the economy. Full stop. This is expected to be a significant improvement over the traditional assessment of credit eligibility based only on asset or turnover criteria. Full stop. That will also cover MSMEs without a formal accounting system. Full stop. I am happy to announce a new mechanism for facilitating continuation of bank credit to MSMEs during their stress period. Full stop. While being in the special mention account stage for reasons beyond their control, MSMEs need credit to continue. Full stop. Para facilitating MSMEs to unlock their working capital by converting their trade receivables into cash. I propose to reduce the turnover threshold of buyers for mandatory onboarding on the new platform from rupees 500 crore to rupees 250 crore. Full stop. This measure will bring 22 more CPSCs and 7,000 more companies onto the platform. Full stop. Medium enterprises will also be included in the scope of the suppliers. Full stop. SIDBI will open new branches to expand its reach to serve all major MSME clusters within 3 years and provide direct credit to them. Full stop. With the opening of 24 such branches this year, the service coverage will expand to 160 out of 240 major clusters. Full stop. Financial support for setting up of 50 multi-product food units in the MSME sector will be provided. Full stop. Setting up of 100 food quality and safety testing labs with NABL accreditation will be facilitated. Full stop. To enable MSMEs and traditional artisans to sell their products in international markets. E-commerce export hubs will be set up in public-private partnership mode. Full stop. These hubs under a seamless regulatory and logistic framework will facilitate trade and export related services under one roof. Full stop. As the fifth scheme under the Prime Minister's package, our government will launch a comprehensive scheme for providing internship opportunities in 500 top companies to 1 crore youth in 5 years. Full stop. Para. They will gain exposure for 12 months to real life business environment, varied professions and employment opportunities. Full stop. An internship allowance of rupees 5,000 per month along with a one-time assistance of rupees 6,000 will be provided. Full stop. Companies will be expected to bear the training cost and 10% of the internship cost from their CSR funds. Full stop. Our government will facilitate development of investment-ready plug-and-play industrial parks with complete infrastructure in or near 100 cities in partnership with the states and private sector by better using town planning schemes. Full stop. 12 industrial parks under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program also will be sanctioned. Full stop. Rental housing with dormitory type accommodation for industrial workers will be facilitated in P3 mode with BGF support and commitment from anchor industries. Full stop. Ownership, leasing and flagging reforms will be implemented to improve the share of the Indian shipping industry and generate more employment. Full stop. We will set up a critical mineral mission for domestic production, recycling of critical minerals and overseas acquisition of critical mineral assets. Full stop. Its mandate will include technology development, skilled workforce, extended producer responsibility framework, and a suitable financing mechanism. Full stop. Overall.